It's Sunday, May 9th, and I'm going to do a epilogue to the MerCruiser 3-liter engine teardown. You can see the block's been stripped. Still a few pieces of hardware to remove and that dipstick tube. But it's pretty much disassembled. It was in very good condition internally. All of the bearings were good. Pistons hardly have any wear on the skirts at all. There's very little wear on the cylinder bores. It's almost no ridge at all. And you can see there's still honing from the original manufacturing process on the walls. The only problem seems to be cylinder number 4. Got water in it at some point. Caused a lot of corrosion to the cylinder wall. The pitting is fairly deep. Hopefully we can find a machine shop that can bore out this cylinder and put a sleeve in. If they can, then we'll be able to reuse all of the internal parts. The teardown video ended abruptly before we removed the crankshaft because my camera ran out of batteries. As you can see, the crankshaft's been removed. Here's the crankshaft, camshaft, has a phenolic gear on it, and the cylinder head. All of the heavy parts are in good condition. The valves probably need to be lapped. There's still a lot of cleanup and painting to do. There's the oil pan full of oil and a bunch of coolant needs to be gotten rid of. So this will be the last time you see the engine unless we find a machine shop to do the work that's not too expensive. And remember, today is Mother's Day, so call your mother. See you all soon.